Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we break down science's biggest mysteries in quick 2-minute stories. Artificial intelligence, AI for short, is like the brain power of the future, and it's about to change everything. So what does the future hold for AI, and how will it shape our world? Well, picture this. AI could help doctors diagnose diseases faster than ever, make self-driving cars zoom us around safely, and turn your virtual assistant into a super genius that knows what you need before you even ask. But that's just the start. In the future, AI might be able to understand human emotions and solve complex problems. Imagine robots working alongside us in dangerous places, AI designing new medicines, or even smart cities that know how to keep traffic flowing and use energy more efficiently. Of course, AI comes with some big questions. Could machines get too smart? Will robots take over our jobs? That's why we're making sure AI stays on our team. A helpful tool working with us, not against us. The best part? The future of AI is all about teamwork. AI will handle the heavy lifting, but we humans bring the creativity and heart. Together we can solve huge problems, like fighting climate change, speeding up scientific discoveries, and making life more awesome for everyone. The future of AI is exciting, and it's already happening. Buckle up because we're just getting started. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.